everyone, welcome back to Jamila's Time. Today's video we're going to be making jollof rice, to be specific, Liberian jollof rice. For the new viewers, welcome to the family, and if you're already part of the family, welcome back to another video. Let's get started. Ingredients you need to make jollof rice: you need some meat, chicken, mixed vegetables, tomatoes, onions, and rice. So over here I'm soaking my rice in hot water, and the reason I'm soaking it in hot water is to pre-boil it. These onions, bell pepper, and chili, I'm going to blend them in a blender so that they become watery. So first I'm going to season my meat. I'm just using my own ingredient. I don't have any specific ones. Add in some garlic. So all I can say, season it to your own taste. And after I season the meat, I'm going to fry it a little bit. So next I'm gonna blend the onion, bell pepper, and chili in a blender. First I'm gonna fry the meat, add in some oil. So I'm reusing the oil I used to fry the meat with, and the next part is I'm going to add in my the blended onions in the pot, and also the onion that I sliced. And this I'm gonna fry it for like 10 minutes. So the next part, we're going to season the mixture. I'm adding in some Aromat, some paprika, some curry, beef masala, garlic, and Royco. And then I also add in some tomatoes. Like generally I don't measure my ingredients, I just add in and measure with my eyes. And I also prefer to season my food according to my own taste. Add in the mixed vegetables. Then I add in the meat. So the next part, I add in my rice. Then I'm going to leave the rice cook slowly, and I will be adding in water little by little. I don't want my rice to be so much soaked in water. So this is how our jollof rice looks like when it's done. One advice I can give while you're making your jollof rice is to add in water little by little, because if you add in a lot of water at once, your rice may not like separate easily, and it takes long time for the rice to dry and all that. Here is our finished product. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Jollof rice is it called jollof rice?
Jollof.
Jollof?
Like think about my name, Jollof, but with F. Jollof.
Jollof rice.
Yes.